your girlfriend dey with you now no mean say she want to suffer with you or she love to suffer with you. She dey with you now because say you are the best option available for her now. You are the best option available for her now, bro. John dey talk to her, Emmanuel dey talk to her, Isaac dey talk to her, Johnson dey talk to her. But out of all those guys wey dey talk to her, na you be the best option available for her now. Na you be the man of her, the boy of her level. You no understand? So I dey see people wey dey talk say now wey you no get money, go dey date girls wey dey your level. See, you are encouraging yourself with poverty o. You are encouraging yourself with poverty because if you observe say if you no get money, the girl wey you go dey date na all those one wey be say rich men or rich boys wey get block dey gon dump throway all the you no understand? Dem don dump throway. Na you go come pick your own, come dey beg dem say abeg you no understand? So you are the best option available for her now. No be say she wan suffer with you or she love to suffer with you. I no know whether you dey get. If you doubt wetin I dey tell you now, that your girlfriend wey dey with you now, okay, normal, that your girlfriend wey dey with you now, you are broke, that girl is broke now. If she get better opportunity, let's say she upgrade pass you financially, emotionally and everything, she upgrade pass you now. Maybe she dey use Android, you dey use Android before, she dey use Android before, she come upgrade to iPhone based on herself o. Based on maybe she dey do one work or something, she come upgrade. See see she go run, e no go even take time before she run leave you. No be say the girl no love you again o, but she don pass your level. I no know whether she don pass your level. So she go must run leave you, she go must leave you. Na so e just be. Dis thing don happen to many times. So if I dey come online dey tell you all those things, na based on experience and wetin I don see people story, and no dey feel say see, she go run leave you. Na so e just be o. You observe now say maybe you are from the rich family now, maybe Dangote be your father or Tedola be your father. You wan tell me say people no go love you for who you be? People no go love you for who you be, they go love you for money. Na there una no dey get all those things right. You no understand? See girl wey Davido pick now Chioma, that girl dey far away from poverty o. Far away from poverty. See Mr. Easy wife, far away from poverty. See me and Ade. See, me una dey get all those things right o. Na based on level. Life na based on level. Na the girl wey dey with you now, na based on say na based on say if she upgrade she go leave you, or if she get better chances say she see man wey be say she go leave you. Na so e just be o. Or you sef, e get some boys for my area wey e dey happen everyday, because na this time wey yahoo take come outside, the rain pass. E get some girl wey dem dey with, wey dem dey broke o. So as dem come cash out big money now, dem leave the girl. The girl go come dey cry. E dey happen for my area every time. Na so e just be. So I don really know. Use your sense o. No girl wan suffer with you o. Even from experience sef, yes, from nature sef, girl dey suffer. All these things dey happen now. I dey see people wey dey talk say my girlfriend suffer with. Who suffer with you? You and person dey suffer. You dey suffer, he dey suffer. She dey broke, you dey broke. You dey tell me say the girl suffer with me. Azal na Azal na. How she take suffer with me? She dey broke, I dey broke. Una two dey suffer together. She say she suffer with you. As e dey suffer with you, na she dey pay your bills. Abi the house wey you and her dey stay, na she dey pay the house rent. Omo, una dey talk things o. So I don really know. They call me destiny. One love.